Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics, and this video will talk about the Salesforce Table. Let's head over to the elements, add a Salesforce Table. Let's make it a big one. And let's start with the column names. Let's bring in, let's say, the account. So we'll do an account name. This will be, let's say, billing address. And this will be, let's say, account number. Let's set the data source. So we'll add an account. Let's do no condition, just run on load, bring all the accounts we got. Let's set it to 100. Let's map the fields. And let's set the name. Set the billing address and the account number. Apply and finish. Let's save. Publish the form. And let's see what we see. So we have all the accounts from Salesforce. Now let's say you want to edit it. You want to edit the account from the table. So you head over to Advanced, Allow Edit. You have a bunch of options here. You can allow View, allow Edit, allow Inline Edit, allow Add, allow Delete, and allow Export. So let's do allow Edit on this one. We need to set that it's editable. And here we will select, let's say we want to edit some other field. So let's add in the type. And the billing address is not really editable because it's just a component field. And we added the account type. You can add any other field from the, let's do the account number. We already have. Let's do the account phone. We'll add that as well. Let's apply, save the form. Let's see what we see. If I click edit, I can change the account phone. Let's say, and update. So if I go back to GenePoint, we can see that the account phone was changed. Now let's say that you want to see all the contacts that under that account or that under any of these accounts. So let's head over back. Let's head back to our table, and what we will do is let's go to Advanced. We'll click Add Level, and in this level, what we're going to show is the contact information, all the contacts for that account. So let's set, first of all, let's set our column names. That will be first name, last name, and email. Let's map the data source. Let's add an object. We'll select the contact. Let's set a condition. So in this condition, we're going to say that the contact account ID equals our first level record ID. First level record ID is the account ID basically. We'll apply. Let's map the fields. So let's go to our first name in the table. Map it to the first name, last name, and email. Apply and finish, save the form. One thing we forgot in the data source is to select all of our contacts. So we'll bring whatever is under the account. Let's save the form, refresh it. Let's take a look at our next level. And here we have it. We have two contacts under that one. Let's go over to our this one, university. It has one contact under that account. Now let's say we want to add, we want an option to be able to add contacts here. So let's head back to our level 2, go to the advanced, allow add, let's configure, and first name is editable, last name, and email, and we want to relate it to our account ID. So we're going to add the account ID, we're going to click map value, and we're going to tell form titan to map the value from level 1 account, and we're going to select the account ID. Let's apply this, save the form. Let's head back to our level 1, and let's set the inline edit. Configure this as well. Let's say that the account name and account number is editable. We'll apply this. Pay note that you have much more configurations here. For example, in the inline edit, you can do silent mode, that every time you leave the field, it will save it automatically, etc. And you can do allow delete, and you can select and configure Salesforce actions in every action you take on the table. Let's save the form, refresh the page. Let's head over to our gene point. Let's say we want to add a new contact. And we'll add the captions you can control as well. And we have a new account. Let's head back. We'll take a look again at gene point. We have 3 contacts here under that account, and we can do the same for all of them. And if I'll hit the inline edit and leave it, it will save it automatically. And this is just the basics of the table. It has a lot more features, and you can add a lot more levels and go from contact, from lookup to a lookup, related to a related, and it's a very, very powerful tool. And this is how you use it.